Hi folks, I got a new chuck for my lathe, and it's a, what the heck is this, CME. This is a Chinese. Saying you, I don't know what that is. But it's for my southbound lathe. You can see it's quite a bit bigger than my other chuck. That's a 5-inch. This is a 6-inch, but I didn't think 6-inch was just going to seem that much bigger. But I totally took it apart, cleaned out all the crap grease that was in there. Oiled it, did a little fine tuning to it, a little deburring, and now we're checking it out. And it's got about a thou either way, minus or plus. That's where it seems to be running at, and I consider that pretty good. Actually, maybe about 1.5, which for a Chinese knockoff lathe, I think is pretty darn good. So I'm really pleased with that. This is a beefy thing. 24 pounds or so. But my jaws are getting a little bell-mouthed on this chuck, so I'll probably rebuild that. Because I really wanted to buy some chuck, but this is too tempting. It was $225, I believe, shipped to me. They charged $20 shipping, but I think that's including that. And I'm pretty happy with it. It's very stiff, very stiff. Without the chucks in it, I had everything torn apart and then re-oiled. I trammed in, I just stuck the chuck in this lathe here and held the chuck up to it and just let the scroll go on the pinions here to try to kind of break it in a little bit. And it did help some. It's still stiff as can be. It's almost more than one hand can do to turn that chuck. I just have to use two. Pretty stiff, but it's better. But anyway, with accuracy like that, I'm pleased with it.